What if I told you that $300 a month, less than most people's car payment, can turn into over $1 million? Not through crypto, not through some get-rich-quick scheme, just math, boring, beautiful, unstoppable math that almost nobody actually sits down and shows you. My name is the Hidden Rich Guy, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why starting late costs you far more than you think. Here's the number that changes everything: 7%. That's the stock market's average annual return after inflation over the last century. Not every year. Some years it's up 25%, some years it crashes, but averaged out over decades, around 7%. Now take $300 a month. That's $10 a day. Skip the restaurant meals twice a week, and you're basically there. Invest $300 every single month, starting at age 25. Earn that 7% average return, and here's what happens. By age 35, you have around $52,000. By age 45, you have around $51,000. By age 55, you have around $379,000. By age 65, you have just over $1,000. $1 million from $300 a month. That's it. No stock picking, no timing the market, just consistency and time. Here's the part that actually blows people's minds. Of that $1 million, you personally only contributed $144,000. That's 40 years of $300 a month. The other $856,000, that came from compound interest, money making money, returns earning their own returns. Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and looking at those numbers, it's hard to argue. The reason most people never see this math is because it looks completely unimpressive for the first decade. After 10 years, you've got $52,000. Big deal, right? But that's exactly when the engine is warming up. Compound interest is backloaded, meaning most of your growth happens in the final years, not the early ones. The last 10 years alone take you from $379,000 to $1,000. More growth in the final decade than in the first 3 combined. Now here's where it gets painful. What happens if you wait just 10 years and start at 35 instead of 25? Same $300 a month, same 7% return, but you only have 30 years instead of 40. Final amount at 65? Around $340,000. You waited 10 years and it cost you $660,000. Not because you invested less, just because you started later. That's the brutal reality of compound interest working against you instead of for you. Every single year you wait is not just 1 year of contributions missed. It's 1 year of compounding gone forever. Time is the one ingredient you cannot buy back. So where does the $300 actually go? 3 steps. Step 1. If your employer offers a 401k match, put enough in to grab the full match first. That's an instant 50 to 100% return before your money even touches the market. Never leave that on the table. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA. Contribute your $300 here monthly. Your money grows completely tax-free, and you pay 0 taxes on withdrawals in retirement. For most people in their early earning years, this is the single best account available. Step 3. Put it in a low-cost index fund. Something like a total market fund or an S&P 500 fund, with fees under 0.1%, no stock picking, no fund managers eating your returns, just the whole market working for you automatically. That's the entire strategy. Embarrassingly simple. Wildly effective. Here's the truth. Becoming a millionaire on an average income has never been about earning more, picking the right stocks, or finding some secret investment nobody else knows about. It's about putting $300 a month somewhere smart and refusing to touch it for decades. The math works. It has always worked. The only question is whether you start today or keep waiting for a better time that never actually comes. Your future self is either going to thank you or wonder why you waited so long over something that cost less than $10 a day.